Hi, this is day 6 of Design with Simon 2.0, Graphic Design with Simon 2.0, and today we are learning about Artboards. This presentation is done by Simon Osabo Asamoah. That's my name. And Artboard, as you already know, I have sent a document, a PPT document, to the group so that we can all refer to and then take this video as a guide. Alright, so we can create an artboard straight from choosing the web option. As we start to create a new document, you can resize it to the size you want here, then you go to create. But before that, I have to check the artboard. Let me go back again and then do it new. You see the artboard is checked here. You have to check it, make sure that it is checked. Alright, then you create a new artboard. Another way you can also create a new artboard without checking the artboard, you can create it like this. Is not an artboard. We right click on the move tool, you choose artboard, then you try to click and drag from the top left corner to the bottom right corner like this. Then you create an artboard. When you check your layer, you see you have created an artboard. This is an alternative way to create an artboard. And then you can also duplicate an artboard by clicking and dragging. But this time around, you must choose the move tool itself. Then you click and drag. You must hold Shift and Alt so that it will not shift apart. You can check the tool here in the layer panel, move it aside. Then you also hold Alt, you click and drag. You must add, if you want it to move in the same direction, you must add Shift. Yes, this is it. You can also work after you have created your artboard. You can rename it to whatever name you want it to be. Then you design into it the same way as you design a normal Photoshop new document. This is it. When you select the artboard and you check beneath the title bar, you can see the artboard tools panel here. You can check, you can add a new artboard here like this. You can also change the background of any artboard. You can also resize it. Let's check the fourth artboard and try to resize it and see what will happen. Let's make it 1200 pixels. Press enter. You see that you have changed the size of the artboard, so you can take any size of each of the artboard and then you design into it. That's it. Also, after you are done designing and you want to export, you make sure you go to new, you go to export, and then you can quickly export it as PNG. And then you can also go to export as, but this time around let's use the artboard files. Yes, you wait for the Windows artboard export windows to appear. The software might have encountered a problem, but let's kindly wait while it's responding. I'm sure it will quickly come. So after we are done with learning about Artboard, we will create this amazing birthday flyer using an Artboard. These two amazing flyers. It's the same thing but different versions. Exactly, this is it. So if you want to give a prefix to all the Artboard when exported, you can add it here. You choose your destination here, and then you choose your file formats, whether you want to export it as a JPEG, a PDF, or a PSD. This is it. You choose. My favorite for web design is the portable network graphics, because this format was designed most especially for social media posts, web posts, WhatsApp posts. It is basically a network file. You can share it, an image network file. You can share it along networks without losing many of the pixels. Exactly, compared to the JPEG, which is purposely for printing jobs. The PNG is very good for online sharing between networks. That's it. So after you are done, you check your run, you click on run, and you wait for the Artboard to render all the design sessions, and then export them as individual files for it. You can also export it as a PDF. You know how PDF works, to combine all the pages into one document, and then export it, and then give it a unique name for you. That's it. And when you want to export the PDF, write the name in the name prefix here. That's it. So quickly, let's create a new Artboard and design this birthday flyer I'm talking about. Let's go to new. Let's go to web. Yes, the Artboard is already checked. Let's make the width and the height the same dimension. This is a squared dimension, as we are coming to design a birthday flyer. Our color mode is already RBG. Let's maintain it. The base is 8 base. We have a white background. This is it. Quickly, let's click on create. We have created a new Artboard. Let's quickly go into our folder. Let's get our background. Let's bring this here, the lights. Let's take all the these three items will design our background for us. Let's wait while we are importing it in Photoshop. You can resize it like this. You add the other one, you resize it, then the last one. So let's take this one down, bring this one on top, go to normal, where our blending mode is. Let's check it. Okay, for now let's just unview it. Take this one, go to screen. When you go to it, you take all the black color in the picture and maintain the white color. So we are just taking the light out of the darkness in this image. Let's go back to our image, get our picture, bring it into our design like this. Exactly. Let's increase it a bit. Exactly. I want us to add some effect to the picture. So quickly, let's go to filter, go to camera raw filter, or you can quickly hold shift Ctrl and A, press those three keys, then you quickly open camera raw filter. Let's wait while the camera raw filter window open. Yes, this is it. So from here we are checking three items. We have the clarity, let's hold on a bit. So let's increase our clarity to 100. Increase our shadow a bit, because after we have increased our clarity, we have some of the image, part of the image to be black, so we increase the shadow to get rid of the black aspect of it. Where more shadow is, increase the white a bit. This is okay for us. You press OK. You see we have added some effects to the picture. This is better than the first raw picture we brought in. So let's bring it on top of the background. Let's try to check exactly. Let's use the color. No, let me check soft lights. Okay, we can use check. So we can use the soft lights. You see we have added some effect to the image. Yeah, we continue. Sorry for the break. So I want us to go and pick our birthday test effect preset we downloaded our PNG link. Have to bring it in, reduce the size, send it on top of the lady, open it a bit like this. Yeah, let's bring it back like this. You can view this and then work on this before. So let's add some blending options to it. Let's go to stroke. Let's take the color as brick red. increase it a bit like this. Let's position it as outside like this, and then add some shadow effect to it. Let's increase the distance a bit, increase the spread a bit, and increase the opacity as well. So this is really okay. This is looking marvelous. Oof. Let's add some bevel effect to it like this. Decrease the size a bit. So let's make the size 5, increase the softness also to 5, and go to OK. This really look good. Let's view our picture. This is looking marvelous. After we have added the effect to it, let's try to change the effect. I think see light is okay. You can reduce the opacity of it, and also add the light to it. Exactly. This is okay for now. I think this is okay. We can add some text to this. So you can write something. Maybe happy birthday doing +1 today. God bless my new age. So whatever message you want to write for this year, you change it to a white color. You can pick the Montserrat font type, and then you choose the semi-bold. Make the size, make the font size like 30 pixels. I think this is better. This is better. Oops. That's nice. We are done with our birthday flag. This is pretty simple and beautiful. So let's name it AB version 1. Reggae side. You can press Ctrl J to create another version of it on a different artboard, and you name it version 2 or something. So this time around I want us to do something. I'll view the first one like this. Hold Ctrl Shift Alt and E to create, render it as an image on top of the design like this. So this one is the image. You see. So I want us to do something. Let's bring this thing here. Bring it. This is really good. Exactly. Let's bring it down. Let's go to right click, go to create collision mask. This is really good. Oh, so we have created another version of this. This is good. So can even change the background of where the white is, make it red in any how you want it. This is so good. So you can save your design now, artwork, whatever name you want to give it with, on your computer. Save it on your computer and to the folder you want it to be. I want it to be in design with Simon. I will save it as a TIFF or a PSD file. This is wonderful. So we can export it by going to export, file export, and then quickly export it as a PNG. So after clicking the PNG, we wait for the Windows export windows to appear. It will go to exactly where we save that. If you click on select folder, then you go inside. Let's wait whilst it is. You see, this is it, version 1. This is pretty wonderful. And version 2, this and this. Thank you for watching.